Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a brand new Retro Bowl mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Stick around, because I'll walk you through how to get unlimited credits and a bunch of other cool features you don't want to miss. If you're into Retro Bowl and want to boost your game, make sure you stay till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome mods and tips. Alright, let's jump right into the mod in action. You'll see a gear icon on the screen. That's your gateway to the mod menu. Just tap it, and here it is. The main highlight? Unlimited credits. And I'm talking about maxing out your balance instantly. Imagine building your dream team without any limits. But that's not all. This mod also unlocks extra features to customize your Retro Bowl experience in ways the original game doesn't offer. Now, let's move on to how you can get this mod for yourself. Open any browser on your Android or iOS device, I'm using Safari here, and head over to appheaven.top. Once you're there, either search or scroll to find the Retro Bowl mod. Click on it, and the installation process is super simple. The site provides clear instructions if you need any help, so don't worry about getting stuck. If you want a quick tip, I left some details in the comments below about exactly where to find the Retro Bowl mod on that site. It's a handy pointer if you want to skip searching around. Thanks so much for watching. If this mod works out well for you, drop a comment and let me know. And please, hit that subscribe button for more mods and gaming content coming your way. Catch you in the next video.